Hello friends, the title of the video is Fiscal Decentralization and India. Although India is a federal structure, most of the lucrative tax instruments falls under the jurisdiction of central government. So, states are heavily dependent on central government in order to finance their developmental plan. This would not be a problem if center-state transfer followed a well-defined principle. Unfortunately, our system gives central government a lot of discretion in such transfer. There is also considerable evidence that politics does play a significant role in the transfer. So, there is a need of fiscal decentralization. Several economic arguments have been made in favor of it. For instance, it is often said that local government are more aware of and responsive to the preference of local inhabitants. Also, decentralization implies that local politicians have both more power and greater accountability. The former makes public office more attractive, while latter increases the chances of being kicked out of office in the event of non-performance. There is a compelling political arguments in favor of decentralization. If a country is very heterogeneous in terms of ethnic, linguistic, or religious divide, this is perhaps the main rationale for the high degree of fiscal decentralization witnessed in Belgium. Belgium is divided into the French and Flemish speaking region. Similarly, in Canada, where French speaking Quebec has a great deal of fiscal autonomy. Similarly, Russia and Ethiopia are examples of countries that have opted for decentralization because of ethnic division. Essentially, decentralization means that each region is in charge of its own future and so cannot accuse other regions of foul play. There is a widespread feeling that only fiscal decentralization holds such countries together. To conclude, fiscal decentralization is the need of present time. Thank you for watching my video.